Google's Gemma 4 is now available for you to run privately, offline, and without a subscription. This guide walks you through testing it in the browser first, then setting it up on your own machine. Before installing, test Gemma 4 in your browser at Google AI Studio. This free, no-install approach lets you try text prompts and image understanding right away. You can also explore and compare available Gemma variants. Choosing the right model for your hardware is crucial. The E4B model is recommended for most users on everyday hardware. The 26B model is a mid-range powerhouse, requiring 16 to 24 gigabytes of VRAM. The 31B offers maximum performance for high-end hardware. Next, download and install Ollama, the easiest way to run large language models locally. It's a lightweight, open-source application available for Windows, macOS, and Linux, and installs in under 2 minutes. Visit ollama.com to get started. Once Ollama is running, finding Gemma 4 is easy. Open the app, search for Gemma 4, and select your desired model size to download. The model files are stored locally on your machine, requiring no cloud connection after the initial pull. With the model downloaded, you are ready to run your first prompts. Gemma 4 handles a surprisingly wide range of tasks right out of the box, offering strong performance for various needs. Gemma 4 excels at writing, including drafts and creative writing. It handles coding tasks like generating and debugging code across languages like Python and JavaScript. It also performs multi-step reasoning, math problems, and image understanding for visual analysis. Power users can interact with Gemma 4 directly from the command line. Run Ollama run Gemma 4 to launch the model. This allows for scripting, automation, and integration into custom workflows using the local REST API. Running AI locally provides complete privacy, as your data never leaves your machine. It operates fully offline once downloaded, requires no subscription or usage limits, and gives you full control over your model and stack. Here is the full workflow. Test in the browser with Google AI Studio, pick your model size, install Ollama, download Gemma 4, and finally, run the private, offline AI on your own hardware. After completing these steps, you've unlocked a fully private, offline AI assistant running on your own hardware. It is capable of text generation, coding help, reasoning, and image understanding, all with no cloud or subscription needed.
Here's a quick reference. E4B is for everyday tasks, requiring 8 gigabytes RAM. 26B is for complex reasoning, requiring 16 to 24 gigabytes VRAM. 31B offers maximum quality for high-end hardware. Start with E4B if you are unsure. If this guide was helpful, please like the video to help other developers find it. Subscribe for more AI tutorials, and comment below to share which model size you are running and what you are building with Gemma 4.